something is happening behind the closed doors of Nikon's engineering headquarters that should have Sony and Canon feeling incredibly nervous. If you think the current lineup of mirrorless bodies has reached the peak of digital imaging, you are completely unprepared for what is coming next. For years, the industry has debated whether a camera could truly bridge the gap between Hollywood cinema performance and blistering sports photography without forcing creators to make massive compromises. Today, the latest insider leaks and confirmed. Technical roadmaps prove that the upcoming Nikon Z9 Mark II is designed to completely shatter those boundaries. This is the first flagship born directly from the landmark merger between Nikon and Red Digital Cinema. The specifications leaking out from factory testing indicate that Nikon is aiming straight for the throat of its competitors, intending to reclaim the absolute throne of the hybrid camera market. If you want to know exactly how this monster will redefine your workflow, listen closely, because the sensor breakthrough alone changes everything we know about image quality. Let us start with the heart of this powerhouse, the sensor architecture. While early rumors suggested a jump to a 60-plus megapixel sensor, industry experts have confirmed a far more strategic move. Nikon is sticking to a highly optimized 46-megapixel full-frame sensor, but it is a completely redesigned, stacked CMOS structure. This next-generation architecture is reported to be 3.5 times faster than the original Z9. Rolling shutter distortion is effectively dead. Nikon has pushed the electronic sensor readout to a level where the X-sync speed for flash photography reaches up to 1/720th of a second. This brings the stacked sensor within striking distance of global shutter performance without suffering the dynamic range penalties that typically plague global shutter sensors. But the most shocking sensor revelation is the introduction of an ultra-low native base ISO of 32. For landscape, studio, and commercial photographers, this is a monumental shift. Paired with Nikon's advanced pixel shift technology, a native ISO of 32 will deliver clean, noise-free, medium format-like tonal depth and dynamic range that no other standard full-frame camera on the market can match. You will be able to shoot wide open in bright daylight with premium primes without immediately reaching for heavy neutral density filters, capturing pristine highlight retention and shadow detail that was previously impossible. To drive a sensor this fast, you need unprecedented processing power. The Z9 II will debut the highly anticipated X-Speed 8 dual processor engine. This new brain is built on a highly efficient node, allowing it to calculate complex deep learning autofocus algorithms simultaneously while handling massive data pipelines. The autofocus system on the Z9 Mark II is receiving a complete top-to-bottom overhaul. By utilizing real-time AI tracking that processes predictive movement paths hundreds of times per second, the camera can lock onto subjects with terrifying precision. Whether you are tracking a Formula One car slicing through heavy rain, a bird cutting through dense forest foliage, or an athlete moving erratically under chaotic stadium lighting, the X-Speed 8 engine ensures the focus stays glued to the subject's eye instantly. The system is designed to maintain accuracy even in near-pitch black environments, pushing low-light detection boundaries beyond its predecessor. This processing leap unlocks blistering speeds that resolve the biggest frustration professional action photographers had with the original model. While the first Z9 capped full-resolution RAW files at 20 frames per second, the Z9 Mark II completely rewrites the rules. Thanks to the massive throughput of the X-Speed 8 processor and optimized CFX Type B pipelines, this flagship is heavily rumored to achieve full-resolution, uncompressed RAW continuous shooting at a staggering 60 frames per second. If you need even more speed, dropping the camera into DX crop mode opens up a mind-blowing 120 frames per second in RAW. This makes it an absolute weapon for sports and wildlife professionals who cannot afford to miss a single micro-expression or transient moment of action. Yet, the real revolution lies in the video department. Following Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, The industry has been waiting to see how that cinema DNA would integrate into a flagship mirrorless body. This camera will feature internal 12-bit R3D REDCODE RAW video recording up to 8.3K at 60 frames per second in a full 3:2 open-gate format. Having native REDCODE RAW files recorded directly onto internal media inside a rugged, weather-sealed, mirrorless body is a massive paradigm shift for independent filmmakers, documentary crews, and high-end production houses. Open-gate recording allows cinematographers to utilize the entire sensor area, providing maximum flexibility to crop for vertical social formats or wide anamorphic cinema presentations in post-production without losing precious resolution. Nikon is also implementing sophisticated internal cooling structures, including a rumored passive liquid evaporation system, to ensure that recording 8K Red RAW at high frame rates can be sustained indefinitely without overheating, even in brutal hot environments. Furthermore, the video ecosystem will be fully enhanced with professional red color science, including advanced film simulation lookup tables built directly into the camera's firmware. This allows shooters to monitor and bake in natural, highly appealing skin tones and cinema-grade color roll-offs right from the monitoring stage, severely reducing the time spent in intensive color grading suites. Navigating and monitoring this high-resolution data requires a world-class viewing experience. Nikon is addressing this by importing the heavily praised electronic viewfinder technology seen in recent specialized bodies, featuring a brilliant 5,760,000 dot panel. However, for this flagship, the panel is being pushed to an industry-leading 4,000 nits of peak brightness. This completely eliminates the struggle of trying to compose a shot under direct, harsh midday sunlight. In an era where digital manipulation and generative AI are making it harder to verify genuine imagery, Nikon is doubling down on professional security. The Z9 Mark II will launch with advanced hardware-encrypted content credentials built directly into the image capture pipeline. This technology embeds secure, unalterable metadata tags directly into the raw file at the exact millisecond the shutter fires, certifying the authenticity of the photo, the camera body used, and the location data. For photojournalists working with major global news agencies in premium markets, this is rapidly becoming a mandatory requirement for operational workflows. When can we expect this beast to officially land in the hands of creators? Looking at the historical flagship roadmap, Nikon typically coordinates its major Tier 1 releases alongside massive global sporting events. The physical launch timeline points toward an official global development announcement and release targeting, late 2026 or early 2027. This allows Nikon to fully clear out existing backstocks and finalize the accompanying high-end Nikkor S-line roadmaps. Nikon is no longer playing a game of catching up to the competition. By merging legendary ergonomics and robust weather sealing with the undisputed Hollywood pedigree of red digital cinema, the upcoming Z9 Mark II is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of modern technology. It represents a bold, uncompromising vision of what a hybrid camera should be. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with the most authentic, accurate tech leaks, analysis, and breaking gear updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below letting us know whether the native ISO 32 or the internal Red RAW recording is the bigger game changer for your creative workflow. Stay tuned, and we will see you in the next video.